Hey everybody, welcome back to our quick video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Netflix subscription or delete your Netflix subscription if you no longer want Netflix because of the rising prices or whatnot. I'm going to show you how to delete it. I'm going to show you how to delete it on mobile, but the steps are the same whether you're doing it on desktop, iPad, or your TV. So let's jump right into it. Okay everyone, so we're on my phone, so you're just going to want to launch the internet browser. I'm currently on Google. You want to head over to netflix.com. You do not want to do this through the app. It does not work through the app. You actually have to go to netflix.com. Once you're at Netflix, make sure you're signed into the account that you wish to cancel the membership on. Let me just log in here real quick. Okay, now that I'm logged in the top left-hand corner, you see three little lines. Hit those, and then you want to select account. Once that loads, you want to scroll down till you see cancel membership here. Select cancel membership. It's going to try to have you just switch plans or suspend it temporarily, but all you have to do is hit this blue button, finish cancellation, and that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this video informative on how to cancel your Netflix subscription, and we'll see you in the next video.